Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product or service. Today we're exploring Wowway, accessible at www.wowway.com. Wowway is a telecommunications company providing internet, cable television, and phone services to residential and business customers. They primarily operate in the Midwest and Southeast regions of the United States. Wowway offers a variety of internet plans with different speed tiers to cater to various needs, ranging from basic browsing to heavy streaming and gaming. Their cable TV packages offer a wide selection of channels, including local, premium, and sports options. They also provide bundled packages that combine internet, cable TV, and phone services for a potentially more cost-effective solution. For businesses, Wowway offers tailored solutions designed to meet specific communication and connectivity requirements. These business packages often include dedicated internet access, fiber optic connections, and advanced phone systems. Wowway's website is designed to be user-friendly, allowing customers to easily browse available services, check availability in their area, and manage their accounts online. The site also offers a support section with FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and contact information for customer assistance. In recent years, Wowway has focused on expanding its fiber optic network to deliver faster and more reliable internet service to its customers. They've also been investing in enhancing their customer service and offering competitive pricing to stay relevant in the ever-evolving telecommunications market. When considering an internet, cable, or phone provider, Wowway is certainly an option worth exploring, particularly if you reside within their service area. Be sure to compare their offerings with other providers in your region to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Checking online reviews and ratings can also provide valuable insights from other customers' experiences with Wowway services. Ultimately, your choice of provider will depend on your specific needs, budget, and the availability of services in your location.